Hello, Dimsdale. I'm Jet You Betcha with today's editorial, which technically makes it a Jetatorial.
The U.S. Supreme Court declined to hear an appeal challenging Maryland's ban on assault-style rifles and high-capacity magazines, leaving a lower court ruling in place that upheld the law. The legislation, passed in 2013 after the Sandy Hook shooting, specifically targets AR-15 rifles, which remain legal in most U.S. states. Justices Alito, Gorsuch, and Thomas dissented, urging the court to address the legality of banning such popular firearms. Justice Kavanaugh agreed with the decision not to hear the case, but questioned the lower court's reasoning. Maryland credits its strict gun laws with reducing gun violence. While the court has expanded some gun rights, it has also supported long-standing restrictions, including those related to ghost guns and domestic violence cases. A heartbreaking news. Bloomfield police officer Timothy Ontiveros, 33, died days after being critically injured during a Memorial Day traffic stop in northwestern New Mexico. Ontiveros was shot after the driver refused to cooperate and opened fire when officers attempted to arrest him. A second officer returned fire, killing the suspect, who had a history of violent offenses. Ontiveros had recently joined the Bloomfield Police Department in December and was formerly with the Farmington Police and a volunteer firefighter in Aztec. He underwent multiple surgeries before passing away. Law enforcement honored him with an escort from an Albuquerque hospital. State and local officials mourned his death, emphasizing the risks officers face. A GoFundMe was launched to support his family. In another update, 3 sisters, Peyton, 9, Evelyn, 8, and Olivia Decker, 5, have been missing since May 31st after leaving home in Wenatchee, Washington for a scheduled visitation with their father, Travis Decker. According to police, Decker, 32, who is homeless and lives in his vehicle or at motels, deviated from the agreed-upon parenting plan, prompting concern. Authorities have not issued an Amber Alert, but have activated an Endangered Missing Person Alert. The girls have not returned, and Decker cannot be contacted. He was last seen driving a 2017 GMC Sierra with a Washington license plate DC0165C. Anyone with information is urged to contact 911. The Wenatchee Police Department and Washington State Patrol are actively investigating. In other developments, the CDC urges Americans to ensure measles protection before traveling internationally this summer, citing rising global and domestic cases. Measles, a highly contagious virus, can linger in the air for hours and spread in travel hubs. 6 U.S. cases were linked to a May Turkish Airlines flight into Denver. So far in 2025, 1,125 U.S. cases have been reported, with Texas accounting for 738. 3 deaths have occurred, including 2 children. Canada and Mexico are also seeing outbreaks. The CDC advises unvaccinated travelers to postpone trips and recommends early MMR vaccination for babies as young as 6 months. Full immunity takes 2 weeks after 2 vaccine doses, providing 97% protection.
From all of us here, stay classy, Dimsdale.